this is not a test. Please give this broadcast your full and unlimited attention. Know that some children have been reported missing in your areas to a metal schedule to unknown means. These attacks exclusively happen from 9:30 until 3:00 am. If you are observing this broadcast, this is a guide to stay safe. 1. Keep observative at any time during your day. You'll see someone acting abnormally with no sign of intelligent human thinking. Assume the worst. 2. If there is a child in your family, community, or you see one alone past 9:00, contact them immediately and make sure that they do not leave your side by any means. 3. If there is a child accompanying you at this current moment, do not let them enter a darker room on their 1 past 9:00. 4. Allow your children to keep sharp objects or loaded weapons on hand or near their bed when they sleep, or if possible let them sleep in the same bed as you. 5. If you hear a family member speaking from a room in your house when you know they are not present in the location, grab a weapon, slowly and silently close and barricade the door, then exit the location silently with the company of all other humans in the house. 6. If it begins to destroy the barricade, make peace with your loved ones, and make peace with your impending death. 7. Do not attempt to vacate the house, as this will order another host houses that it can relocate itself to after completing its feeding. We are working to stop the situation and discover what is really causing this. Until then, follow these 7 steps in order to stay alive.